Hi guys, Ajumajara once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious biryani recipe. Get to stick around and watch the full video and also get to know the ingredients which I'm going to be using. But before we even start, if you're a first time viewer visiting my channel, kindly click the subscription button and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell not to be missing new videos weekly. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. As for my ingredients, I'm going to be using cooking oil that's left after frying the onions. I fry them golden brown. I'm going to use crushed garlic, marinated chicken, chicken masala, turmeric, pilau masala, coriander, garam masala, black pepper, some salt. I'm also going to use tomato paste, a brookside mala. I already did boil my rice, which is pearl rice. I'm going to use green grams and food color. But as for the spices, you can just use the ones which you prefer, even if it's the only the chicken masala or the turmeric. You just use your own kind of spices. The food color, that is for making the white rice to turn to another color, so I'm going to use the yellow food color, which is going to at least make the rice to have a nice color, for the biryani. Now let's get to it.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. You think you're away, is it love how it hurts? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
you're watching this video and you see it valuable, consider subscribing and join me each week as I will be posting new videos. By each week, I mean on Saturdays, since I normally post my videos on Saturdays.
Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Kindly make sure to leave a comment on my comment section if you want me to be making more videos like this, and please don't forget to like the video. Also, if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please get to subscribe and support your girl. Please just get to subscribe and also push on the notification bell so that when I will be posting other videos, you might as well be notified that I've posted a new video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Thank you for supporting Ajumajara and see you on the next video. Goodbye.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, Savannah.